So will a strike on Syria take a toll on gas prices? And what about your stocks? Bert from the Certified Financial Group is here this morning to talk about this. Hey, Joe, let's start with this one. The Asian and European markets up 2% since we've announced this delay. Why in the world would that be?
Well, John, what it is the pressure is off, you know, and then when it looked like we were going to have some conflict there, everybody runs to the sidelines, and then when the pressure's off, they went back into the stocks. And this is probably a short-term situation, depending on what happens in the next week to 10 days.
Well, this is good news for now, for interest rates too, but how does that all work?
Well, what's happened in just last week, Luann, when it looks like the pressure was on, people were running out of stocks and going into bonds. And when people buy bonds, that raises the prices of bonds, which reduces interest rates. So if you're looking for a house right now, this might be a good idea.
Yeah, it's hard to believe all that's tied together. Now, Joe, one thing we do know, anytime something happens in the Middle East, we start worrying about prices at the gas pump. How is that going to impact things? Because Syria's not normally a big player there.
Syria doesn't produce much oil. Egypt doesn't produce much oil, but it's all kind of connected. You have the Suez Canal. You have the Iranians talking about they're going to go after Israel. They always threaten to block the Strait of Hormuz, which a third of the world's oil goes through there. You got to remember, a $1 increase in the cost of oil translates to about a 5-cent increase at the pump. So if that happens, and it probably will happen, you can expect gas prices to go up.
All right, Bert from Certified Financial Group, thank you for joining us on this Labor Day.
You're welcome.